leather glove, no see-through. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody, got a piece in. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way, we bout to slide.
Hey you guys, it's your girl Simply Chyna. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to say thank you guys for all the support that you guys continue to give me. I greatly appreciate it. We're closer and closer to our goal of 1,000 subs, so I don't ever get discouraged when I see the numbers. I know I have my support system, so I want to say thank you on that. So today's video, as you can see, is this really pink, nice firework kind of a look. I kind of got a little crazy with it, you guys, a little crazy, but it came out really bomb at the end and everything. So I used the ColourPop palette as usual. I started with the white base that you see, the glitter pigment, along with the pink and the brown and blue. So that's what you're seeing on her cut crease, is that nice shimmer, and then the pink is what I used to make the liner look, and I blended it out with the brown and the blue. So that was really it. This look is going to be more so showing you guys how to get the skin and, you know, putting everything together. So I'm going to let you guys kind of just watch it and see. I'm going to stop talking and let you guys kind of just see. But just comment down below if you have any questions, if you want me to do anything in particular. But I really think this look came out fire, guys. Y'all comment and let me know. But thank you guys again. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the gang. And don't forget to thumbs up this video if you like it. And happy 4th. Because I feel like I'm going to be posting this around the 4th. So happy 4th. And see you guys in the next video. Okay.
Baby girl, slow it down, look, you walking kinda fast. I'm a winner, you can ask, guaranteed I get the cash. Baby sitting in that phone while I'm pressing through the dash. Know a nigga getting cash, trying to show me where it's stashed. Birkin bags and Chanel, got me spending all my cash. I'm a winner, you can ask, guaranteed I get the cash. Baby girl, know she a baddie, got them tats up on her ass. I'm suppressing all the limits, slow it down and do it fast. I know shorty on my body, cause she see I'm getting cash. I know shorty on my body, cause she see I'm getting paid. Pussy stay up in your lane, catch you swerving out in traffic, get to working on my aim. Hear them talking like they killers, never see them put in pain. Had a boyfriend on my body, but he broken, he a lame. Took her on a trip to Cali, now she asking for my name. Took her on a trip to Cali, now she asking for my name. I can show you what it's like when you really living life. Different countries catching flights, we be landing by tonight. I can show you what it's like when we really living life. Different countries catching flights, we be landing by the night. Baby girl, slow it down, look, you walking kinda fast. I'm a winner, you can ask, guaranteed I get the cash. Baby sitting in that phone while I'm pressing through the dash. Know a nigga getting cash, trying to show me where it's stashed. Birkin bags and Chanel, got me spending all my cash. I'm a winner, you can ask, guaranteed I get the cash. Baby girl, know she a baddie, got them tats up on her ass. I'm suppressing all the limits, slow it down and do it fast. Baby girl, slow it down, look, you walking kinda fast. I'm a winner, you can ask, guaranteed I get the cash. Baby sitting in that phone while I'm pressing through the dash. Know a nigga getting cash, trying to show me where it's stashed. Birkin bags and Chanel, got me spending all my cash. I'm a winner, you can ask, guaranteed I get the cash. Baby girl, know she a baddie, got them tats up on her ass. I'm suppressing all the limits, slow it down and do it fast. I know shorty on my body, cause she see I'm getting cash. I know shorty on my body, cause she see I'm getting paid. Pussy stay up in your lane, catch you swerving out in traffic, get to working on my aim. Hear them talking like they killers, never see them put in pain. Had a boyfriend on my body, but he broken, he a lame. Took her on a trip to Cali, now she asking for my name. Took her on a trip to Cali, now she asking for my name. I can show you what it's like when you really living life. Different countries catching flights, we be landing by tonight. I can show you what it's like when we really living life. Different countries catching flights, we be landing by the night. Baby girl, slow it down, look, you walking kinda fast. I'm a winner, you can ask, guaranteed I get the cash. Baby sitting in that phone while I'm pressing through the dash. Know a nigga getting cash, trying to show me where it's stashed. Birkin bags and Chanel, got me spending all my cash. I'm a winner, you can ask, guaranteed guaranteed I get the cash. Baby girl, know she a baddie, got them tats up on her ass. I can show you what it's like when we really living life. Different countries catching flights, we be landing by the night. Baby girl, slow it down, look you walking kinda fast. I'm a winner, you can ask, guaranteed I get the cash. Baby sitting in that phone while I'm pressing through the dash. Know a nigga getting cash, trying to show me where it's stashed. Birkin bags and Chanel, got me spending all my cash. I'm a winner, you can ask, guaranteed I get the cash. Baby girl, know she a baddie, got them tats up on her ass. I'm suppressing all the limits, slow it down and do it fast.